Hundreds of organizations claim to provide special coaching for joint entrance exams. However, heartbroken JEE repeaters know that repeating the same method of preparation, which made them repeaters in the first place, would not be a good idea. Now let us see how differently EduClears Ai prepares the repeaters. We know since repeaters have already appeared for the final exams, they have majorly covered the syllabus. For graphical representation, let us consider 85% of the syllabus is known to a student and 15% is yet to be achieved. Hence, the next important question that arises is which are the portions known and which are the portions unknown. Students fail to distinguish between the two and hence end up revising the whole syllabus from the scratch. This is the problem with the coaching classes. It is their inability to identify the requisite 15%. And for this reason, EduClears Ai is preferred because they are capable of identifying that needed 15% and provide the remedy accordingly. Some people may ask, what is wrong in repeating the entire syllabus? We should remember studying needs 100% attention and hard work. Revising 100% of the syllabus instead of the requisite 15% is like plastering the whole body for a minor fracture in the wrist. Notably, the syllabus comprises of 34 topics, few hundred chapters, few thousand lessons, and thousands of science concepts. It is the biggest challenge to analyze and explore the particular knowledge gaps hidden inside their brains. The solution is systematic filtering of the syllabus. It is like scanning the whole body to identify small tumors hidden inside the organs. All 34 topics is filtered by a series of evaluation tests. The students are given hundreds of questions from one topic to find their weak areas. Subsequently, all topics are covered within a semester. This filtration process is continued until all the weak areas are identified and reported. The following step after the weak area analysis is very interesting. Students can immediately resolve their weak areas through doubt clearing and remedial features of EduClears Ai. Let's see how it works. This process involves 3 steps. As soon as the student clicks on the doubt clearing button, the system automatically starts searching and delivering the appropriate tutorials and explanations relevant to the question. So, what is the benefit of showing the explanation immediately after the diagnosis of the unknown areas of the syllabus? It is like killing 2 birds by throwing 1 stone. Firstly, it is like getting diagnosis and treatment in the same place. Secondly, students won't have to go through chapters and lessons and topics to clear one doubt or wait for the teacher to come and explain. Now you may ask, what is iteration? Iteration is the third and the last step of the process. To learn and forget is a typical human nature. Iteration is a new way of memorizing the lessons. It helps the student to revisit past chapters and consequently help them to keep the knowledge afresh in their minds. They always remain prepared for tests. Another significant aspect of this preparation is to stay prepared with 15 to 20,000 MCQ answers. This is only possible when students answer 250 to 300 questions every day, while filtering their unknown and forgotten areas within a crash course of 49 days. Hope you find our 49 days crash course software with built-in evaluation system and artificial intelligence a better alternative to prepare for the joint entrance exams. For any queries, we are always there to serve you. Namaskar.